In this video, I'm going to show you how to post anonymously on Facebook group as a member. So first of all, you have to open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, you have to tap on menu which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on the menu, you have to tap on groups. Now in groups, initially you will be redirected to the For You section. So now you have to tap on your groups and then you will be able to see the groups that you are following or are a member of. So now from here, just select the group in which you want to send a message or a post anonymously. So now on the very top, you will see the write something option. So you have to tap on that. Now from here, you very simply have to enter the post that you wish to send on this group. For example, I will simply send hello. Now once you're done, you have to enable the option at the top which says post anonymously. Once you do that, you have to tap on got it. Now simply tap on post which is present at the top right corner of your screen and you will be able to post anonymously on Facebook group as a member. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.